List 1, just add water. This is your introduction video. So this is our very first homework video for spelling. So I'm going to take it a little slow so that you can understand what we're doing. So please make sure that you can hear this video and that you have your homework paper ready and something to write with. Please also make sure that you have your name and the date at the top of your homework paper. So all of the roots, which are the pieces of the word that we're working with this week, have to do with water. So your first root is hydr, and this is a Greek root, and it means water. Your next roots are aqua and aquu. These are Latin roots, and they also mean water. And your last two roots are mar and mer, which are also both Latin, and they both mean sea. So you're going to see that every single one of your spelling words has one of these roots in it. So as we go through your spelling words, I'm going to try to give you some helpful hints to help you spell these words. So our first root is hydr, which means water. So on your homework, you're going to see the root hydr in the top left column, and then you're going to see a little space underneath. So in that little space right underneath hydr, I want you to write what it means. And hydra means water. In the big box underneath that, go ahead and draw a picture to help you remember what hydra means. Now would be a great time to pause the video, draw the picture, and then press play whenever you're ready to keep going. Your words that have the hydra root in them are dehydrate, hydroelectric, hydrant, hydrogen, hydraulic, hydrate, hydrophobia, and rehydrate. So I want to first focus on three words: hydrate, dehydrate, and rehydrate. If you notice, when you take your root hydr and add the ending ate, A-T-E, you get the word hydrate, which is one of your spelling words. Another one of your spelling words is dehydrate. So you could even sound spell the D-E before the word hydrate to make that word. Just like dehydrate, rehydrate is very similar. You can sound spell the re prefix and then just apply the word hydrate. Rehydrate. So there are three words that you should be able to spell just thinking about the root and what you know about words. Your other words in this, or two other words in this root family, are hydroelectric and hydrophobia. So you have your root hydr, and then in both those words you can hear the O, hydroelectric, hydrophobia. So from there, then you can think about the next part of the word, hydroelectric. Electric is a word that you probably have seen and heard, so you can just think about how you might spell that word and add it to the root hydro. Hydrophobia. Have you ever heard the word phobia? Maybe as in claustrophobia? So phobia means fear. So think about hydro, break it apart, phobia. Your next three words are hydrant, hydrogen, and hydraulic. These are words that you might have to think about the ending about a little bit more. Your next root is aqua and aqua, and this root means water. So in the middle column, you're going to see that root at the top. Then there's a little box. Please go ahead and write what the root means in that box. And then underneath, draw a picture. Once again, now would be a good time to pause the video, do that part of your homework, and then press play to keep listening. So your words with aqua and aqua are aquatic, aqueduct, aquarium, aquifer, and aquamarine. So three of these words have the aqua root at the beginning, A-Q-U-A. Those words are aquatic, aquarium, and aquamarine. So if you break these words apart, just think about the aqua root and then think about the ending. Aquamarine is kind of a fun word because it combines two of the roots, and marine is another one of your spelling words. Aqueduct and aquifer are a little bit trickier because they have the AQU root at the beginning, the aqua, but then they have a vowel, and it's not the same vowel, but it's tricky because it sounds the same, aqueduct and aquifer. So you're going to have to think about what vowel comes after the aqua root in these words. Your last root is mar and mur, and these roots mean sea. So go ahead in that last column, write what the roots mean, and then draw a picture to help you remember it. Just a reminder, please pause the video and press play when you have that completed. Your words with these roots are marine, marina, maritime, marsh, mariner, marinate, and mermaid. So marine, marina, mariner, and marinate all kind of have the same beginning. They have that mar root and then the word in. Marine, marina, mariner, and marinate. Now, it doesn't always sound like the word in, but if you can picture mar in, then you can think about the rest of the word. So marine has an E at the end. Marina has an A at the end. So those are, if you can think about those words together, it might help you. Mariner takes the word marine and adds an R on the end. And then marinate, if you can think about the mar in, think about how you would add the ending ate. Maritime, marsh, and mermaid are a little different. So maritime might be a word that you can kind of just chunk and then spell it how it sounds. Marsh, same thing. Marsh, chunk it and then spell it. Mermaid. Now this is our only spelling word with the root mer in it. Mermaid. Think of maid as in a person, not as in the word create, and think about how you would spell that. So you should have your homework completely done now. You should have everything filled in. If you don't, please go back and watch the video again, and you can listen for your directions for those boxes.